and it should work. You should have exactly the same stuff as me. Okay. All right, so that's what an agent is. So if you go to new agent, you can do a prompt engineering here. You can talk to Zapier what kind of agent you want here, right? Or you can just skip that step and build it manually, right? You could just build it manually here. Okay. On demand. Okay, then you could write your prompt here, or you could do the prompt engineering, which is you go to ChatGPT and you say, hey, I want a Zapier for this automation. Okay. Make a prompt for my Zapier. Okay. So you do it here in real world language, right? I'm using Zapier agents. I want an automation uh, for when a real estate buyer lead is emailed to me on Gmail. I want to um, email that person and then text me the lead. So I can just text me the lead. Okay. Well, all right. So you just ask ChatGPT what you want, and it's pretty fast. Okay. You can get it to send it to your Lofty or your follow-up boss, all that. You just have to connect everything on Zapier. Okay. Want me to improve it? Would you like to add it to follow-up boss? Oh, it's listening to me. Interesting. All right. So that's what we're working on, and that's something that Sam just said he wants to use N8N to do this kind of stuff. All right. I think that's the great thing about AI is that there's lots of things. If you don't know how to do it, you just ask AI to do it in plain language.
Quick question for you. So I'm
Yes.
in my Zapier account and I'm trying to open this in there, and it's for whatever reason I'm not able to. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Okay. Can you give me? Okay, I'll give you another link in a second. Okay, just hold on.
Hmm. Am
Uh,
I supposed to go to agents in my Zapier?
you are, yeah.
Okay. So when I click on agents and then I paste that link in there?
No, when you click the link, it's supposed to um, add it automatically into your Zapier agents.
Okay. Yeah, it's not doing that.
Okay. So I'll get you another link after, okay?
Okay.
I also have a quick question in regards to the link. It
Yes.
does actually route into my Zapier account, but
Yeah.
then it's asking me for an API key and it can't find an API key. And when I go to create an API key, it's not
Oh,
accepting a name.
okay. Hold on.
No, it's a lot,
Let
sorry.
me, uh, so what you need is you need a it's asking you for a Gemini AI, API key, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you need to go into your Gemini
Okay.
and set up an API key.
Okay.
Okay,
Thanks.
so let me see if I can get you that link.
And so when it says start connecting to your apps, when it says Google AI Studio Gemini, is it going to connect to my Google AI Studio Gemini or yours?
Yours.
Okay.
So I'm going to put it into the chat here. So if you guys are working on that, here it is. So you go to your AI Studio API keys, and you would create a new API key. Okay, and that's what you copy over into your Zapier, so it can hook up to your Gemini.
Okay. We go
Okay.
where to do the API key in Gemini again? I'm sorry. I
I
was in
put it in the chat. I put it in the chat here.
okay. Google accounts.
Yeah. And then when you get in there, you click create API key, you name it, and then you'll copy that API key back to Zapier. And I'll show you in a second how that looks.
And what do you base the name of it on?
I just put Zapier.
Okay.
Okay, so here I show you my screen here. You see that? Zapier, the project. And the
Mhm.
key app just put Zapier. And then I have it as a free tier, right? Set up billing. So if I really need to use a lot of it, I'll set up the billing right now. I'm on a free tier. Okay. So I did 15 requests here through Zapier. Today I did 2. Okay, some billing, no billing. Okay.